Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox with Alex Trinh, and today we are going to unbox the Xbox One vertical stand for the Xbox One S. So today we're going to take a look at this vertical stand and try it on our Xbox One S. But before we do, let's take a look around the box. So here's the front side and here's the back side. I got this from the Microsoft store for $19.99, so $20 from the Microsoft store. Here it says vertical stand and take your console to new heights on the back side of the packaging. And let's go back on front and let's finally unbox this thing. So here is our X-Acto knife ready to go. All we have to do is cut through this tape. There you go, that should do it. And next is pull this tab out and there you have it. The Xbox One S vertical stand in black color. This uses a plastic material, just like the Xbox One S. Yeah, you see there. And you get two pieces of paper. This is in a different language for all you international viewers. So next this is the important part, which is the quick startup guide. Kind of like your quick startup guide. So all you have to do in step 1 is put your console on top. Step 2, install the thing, and step 3, and you're completed. So here it is, the Xbox One S vertical stand. You have the Xbox logo on top, on the top corner, and in the other corner, that's how you install it. Here you get two tabs that connects the vertical stand to your Xbox One S console. It comes with 6 padding, so your vertical stand along with your Xbox One S console doesn't move. So let me put this on the side. But first let me get something soft to protect the sides of the Xbox One. So let me get something, here it is, something foamy. There's a foam wrap. So let me put this on top of this foam wrap. And all we have to do is follow the instructions. We have to align it with the Xbox One S bottom part. In other words, to best describe this is the bottom part of the Xbox One S is in black. And you can see the wedge on the vertical stand, so you need to match that up with the black part, the bottom part of the Xbox One S, which is black. So here it is lined up, and let's try to push this in without breaking the console, since I'm using a little force to not break this thing. And let's turn this around to give you a better view, so you know what I'm talking about. So, there's the click, that's one, and here's the other one. Trying to use much force without breaking the console. It's super hard. So just wait 1 second. So I brought out my microfiber cleaning cloth to see if this helps, which is not helping. So let me put that back and let's try this again. And you gotta use 2 fingers. You gotta use 2 fingers to install this thing for the last part after the first click. So you feel like you're breaking the console, but you're not. And it's still wobbly, but it's better than nothing. So let me wipe this down. Well, with all my sweaty fingerprints. So here's the Xbox One S with the vertical stand attached to the console. Here's what it looks afterwards. And when I try to move it sideways, it's still going to make the console shake, but it's not going to move the console off its table or whatever you're making it stand on. So here's the bottom part of the console. And as you can see here, the purpose of this vertical stand is that if you're trying to make this Xbox One S console stand on its side vertically, it allows airflow inside the Xbox One S. So you can't just make it stand on its side without the stand, because it will block the airflow coming from the sides of the console. So let me put this down. So all you have to do is follow this quick start guide, which shows the steps, like step 1, step 2, and step 3. As you can see there, step 3 is being finished. Step 2 and the installation process. And here's the back side. Just follow the link if you're still stuck on this problem. And yeah, so let me turn this around to the front. And while we are here, I bought some Xbox One games, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see these unboxings. So here's Assassin's Creed Syndicate. So I'm holding 7 games, and there's 1 game missing from this pile of games that I'm holding, which is Just Cause 3. Just bought Just Cause 3 and I don't know where I put it. So here's the 7 games. I have is Assassin's Creed Syndicate, Agents of Mayhem. Let's put those to the side. Here's NBA 2K17 Legend Edition, and you know that I'm a huge Kobe Bryant fan, huge Los Angeles Lakers fan, that this will be a big unboxing. Here's Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition. Here's Mafia 3. Here is Watch Dogs 2. And a finale. Here is Grand Theft Auto 5. Grand Theft Auto 5 Premium Online Edition, which I got this on sale for $60 instead of $80. So that's about it. Hopefully this video helps you install this vertical stand to your Xbox One S. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to check out my other YouTube content. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh, and I'll see you on the next video.